Good morning all. I hope everyone who is ready for the competition is ready, I suppose. I'm ready. I've got rigs. Anyway, I'm ready. What's Daddy going to catch today?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Good luck to everybody today on the Blufin match.
Say hello all you reprobates on the beach over there.
Somebody's playing with it. Come on! If anything's going to happen, we're going to see it here. You heard it here first. Entire beach. No place, no flounder, no smoothhound obviously. I can't help it if there's no fish out there. Just want one fish. So I can say I've caught something. I think Riley might be right. Time's up.
So yesterday we had the Blufin Hound Open, which was a doubles event. 20 odd of you made an incredibly drastic error yesterday, and you've only got yourselves to blame. You followed Rob Amsbury. He was like, yeah, we'll go to Llandona. Everyone needs to come to Llandona because it's going to be brilliant. There'll be hounds crawling out the sea onto the beach, and every single one of you 20 odd people that followed the Pied Piper caught nothing. So well done.
Guten Morgen all. Actually, it's not morning, it's evening. Good evening all. So this little video is a little bit about repairing a bit of my reputation, what was left of it, after that tragic Llandona result. Basically, in this video, you're going to see some lovely smoothhound. I'm going out today, Penrose. I'm in Penrose now, and I'm going to get a smoothhound. And you're going to see it, and you're going to go, you know what? That guy can catch a smoothhound. Didn't have time to make rigs, because I had to pick my daughter up from school, and she has been wild. To anyone who has kids, there's something they just don't tell you about when you're expecting, is that children don't grow up like this. They grow up like this. They grow up in massive steps, and what you'll get when your child is jumped up one of those steps, I don't know, this is just my take on it. I feel like their brain levels up, we call it leveling up. Their body starts leveling up, their brain mostly is leveling up as well, so they start to have thoughts and understanding of things that they never had before. They find it harder to sleep, they get tired. I don't know if it's just like mentally they're just sort of so much more that they're doing and so much more that they're thinking about. Gosh, stinks around here. So I think there's a bit of that. That's what Riley's going through at the moment. She is wild, getting tired and then being manically awake at 10 p.m. and then, you know, shutting down in the daytime, having an hour's nap and getting cranky, all that sort of stuff. So I had no time to be able to make any traces. Thankfully, I have 4.0 pulley rigs, which will be fine. I would have preferred to go down to like a 2.0 pulley rig here today, I think. And I've got some size 2 tour clappers, but they've got heavy snood lengths, heavy bodies, and they're a strong hook shape. They're the chinnies, so they're small, strong hooks. Will easily be able to handle a hound, but also they may be able to handle something else, a bream or a bass or anything really. I think I'm about covered. Let's hope the fish are playing ball, eh? He's in the right spot. As far as I'm concerned, this is the right spot. I spoke with someone the other day. I think I was fishing it too far around. Cheers, Adam, for the advice. Yo, yo, blank bro. Anything? Blanking, as expected. Blanking hard. Isn't that right? Film myself. Yeah. See what you're doing. See what I'm doing. Say hello, people. Hello, people. Yeah, so just fishing with one rod at the moment.
Not fishing if you're blanking.
Blanking with one rod at the moment. Just fishing a one hook flapper really with worm, with rag.
Yeah, look at this for a light.
Beautiful.
TV. That, there you go, that. You face it down.
So my plan is for an hour or so just fish this one rod with worm and then straight on the crab on a pulley dongle.
Lovely.
With a 4-0 circle. Yeah.
You got any rag with you?
I have.
Beautiful.
Have you?
I have. I asked Winnie to pack me the raggiest, wiggliest, sexiest worms he can. So they're going to be pretty damn sexy and wriggly.
Yeah, well, to
and
be
raggy.
fair, I've got some bloody fit ones in there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Where'd you get them from?
You?
Good. Fit ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. Take them out on a date.
Yeah. Oh, that's why we came down here early.
Take them out for a seafood dinner.
I literally spread them all out on the rocks, yeah, and we all just sat there like
Just looking at the clouds. I can see a salmon.
Yeah, it was pretty romantic until we saw you walking across the beach.
This has got to be one of my favourite places to fish. Like,
Oh,
it's like,
it's stunning.
It's just beautiful. You've got a lovely backdrop.
Yeah.
And it's a good mark, isn't it?
It is, on its day, it's a good mark. I mean, I was here yesterday, again, you know, like fishing it down to low. Yeah, pulled out eight hounds.
Show off.
Yeah.
I'll put the picture of the smoothhound that you got, one of the smoothhounds you got, quite comfortably a double figure, wasn't it?
Yeah. Like I say, I don't really measure mine or weigh mine. I just look at it and go, that's big.
That'll do.
That'll do.
That's a fish, that.
That's a big fish.
That's
that
a
is.
real fish.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I do.
But say, fingers crossed.
Yeah, should be a job.
We pull a few out tonight. Anybody else joining? Do we know? Oh, I think Winnie said that he was thinking about it, and Key said he might join too.
Well, yeah, so
But Key's just like Key, isn't he? You know what I mean?
yeah,
Like,
but also Winnie's a bit like that as well.
oh, right, Kinney.
Because like Winnie and Key, right? They're both a little bit like sort of like, oh, that sounds great, that, and then you just don't see them. You're like, all right, fair enough.
Yeah, so
They're both a little bit like that.
yeah, Kinney.
Kinney and
Yeah,
Winnie.
Kinney.
And but yeah, when I've only fished with Winnie twice. So you know, there's we've
every chance.
we've worked with each other for a year now. I've only
Yeah.
fished with him twice. Oh right, no, okay, no, that's a blatant, not a lie, but a misunderstanding. No, because we've done loads of competitions together.
Yeah, but you've not
Breakwater and stuff like that.
But you haven't fished next to
Yeah,
next to each other.
just gone out and
just
fishing.
gone out and pleasure fish like.
Exactly, yeah. So it would be good to see him here. Last time I fished with him was in Rosniger. It was a mark that he had never been before, so he was interested in sort of seeing what it was all about.
Yeah.
And
Bag of goodies.
yeah, it was lovely. It's just I was just basically pecking his head for advice more than anything.
Yeah.
And yeah.
He pecks mine all the
Let's
time.
get set up and let's get these friggin' fish on the hook.
Damn right.
So I've got a bit of an upgrade, like a hefty 2 hook flapper. It's like, I think the snoods are 30 or 40. And then fairly big hooks. I kind of, if I was going to, I didn't have a chance to make traces today. I just had to look through all of the bits of rigs that I've got.
Yeah.
If I could pick any, I would have done this. Heavy snoods,
Yeah.
but with a size 1 chinu.
I've got
Like a small, heavy hook.
I'm on size 2 chinu at the moment. But like I say, I'm just going to fish with one and see how it goes.
You just fish.
Is it running down that way, is it? Downside?
I think it ran that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gone that way, yes. It's gone quite far that way.
Bloody hell.
First smoothie of the year! Oh, thank God for that.
Oh.
He's gone way up there.
Yeah, he's hit my line, I think.
I can get above it. I get behind it. Is that recording?
Yeah.
I want people to know I can actually catch.
Yeah, it wasn't for the first 2 minutes though.
That's a decent one.
Bring it. Mate. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, that's a nice one there.
Yeah. I'll get it.
Hold on.
Is that a double figure? It's a big boy. Big girl, I don't know.
Nice.
Smoothhound. I can catch him. Oh, thank God for that.
Well done, bud. Well done.
Oh, mega. This is my PB. Easy. Easy.
Easy, yeah.
Easy. First cast, first sound.
Well done.
That is my PB, without a doubt. That is so awesome.
Well done.
Mega. Should have come here. Should have Pied Pipered my way over here.
Yeah, I know.
There you go. Absolute beaut. Love it.
Right.
Woohoo! Absolutely buzzing. Absolute buzzing.
Yeah, have a look.
There you go, buddy.
Female, yeah?
I have no idea.
Yeah. Not starry though.
Apparently they're both the same, you know. Look at that. There we go.
Mate.
Thank you, mate.
Can't stop it.
Buzzing. Absolutely. Friggin'
Nailed.
buzzing.
That was my. Where? I'm trying to which way are you?
We'll just sort out when we get him in.
Oh, it's really.
You grab that?
Yeah.
Does that count?
Oh, he's gone.
Yeah, he's off. He's smaller.
Shit.
There he goes.
Right.
Nearly caught him. Not a bad start to the evening, that.
Hey?
Not a bad start to the evening, that.
No.
Yep. Yep. Had a bite then, guys.
Hey?
Had a bite then. They went slack. Yep. Yeah, guys, look at you. Look by you. The hound's by you. There you go, hound number 2. A lot smaller than the last one, but they are here. Hold on, I turn on the light. There we go. Lovely starry patterns all along him. They really are stunning little fish. Well, stunning, quite big fish really. You can see weed off your head. And that is the third of the night. Nearly a fourth, but that's the third. Beautiful.
Rob, who is over there, he's had 3 smoothhounds. I've had nothing as yet, but hopefully something will come along soon.
I think you've probably seen enough now, haven't you? I'll if I get any more, well, if I get any more, or when I get some more, because they seem to be here, I'll just show you the clips really. Go on, let's see what you got. There we go, no blanks.
No blanks.
Dim blank here.
Tim Blanchio.
There we go, mate.
That
I can't see bugger all. Don't look at the camera.
on a pulley dongle.
Pulley dongle. Has it?
Straight in the lip.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
This is the benefit of a pulley dongle, isn't it?
It is.
That's beautiful.
Like I said, I was here last night and every one of them straight in the scissors.
Beautiful. Get in there. Go on, lad.
Let's go.
Is it pulling?
Now it is. Yep. Now. Again.
You got the drag set, yeah?
I'll yank his bloody lips off.
Lovely.
He's not shining the light on it, you're scaring him.
Sorry.
He's going apeshit.
I think my other rod just went. Uh-oh. No, I think I just saw it. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, oh God.
Have you got one on?
It's... I don't know if it's gone slack. Hold on. But I got a bit slack. Yeah, it went slack. Is that a nice one? Right, bugger it. If I've got one here, it doesn't matter. I want to see. Oh, yeah, I've got one. Right, bugger it. I'll film you after. Film it. Film it yourself.
Start it.
Woohoo. Lovely.
Again. Where is it now?
They're lovely fish, aren't they?
That's beautiful.
Is that the dongle?
Yeah, again, I can't work out which one that is.
I think that, yeah, I think if you hold, oh, that's a decent one, that, mate.
That's nice, yeah. It's nice.
Oh, that's a proper one, that, mate. Oh.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, bloody lovely, mate.
Beautiful.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. That's very nice. Beautiful.
You beauty, mate.
Yeah, bloody beauty. Should we,
No, I think that may be mine, maybe this will wait into your line.
Yes, that is a possibility. Because it has stopped now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Film the release.
Yeah, absolutely. You're not going to eat this one then?
Okay.
You're not going to eat this one then?
No. Big one. Are you going? Big one.
There we go.
Beautiful, yeah.
They are. They're very nice fish.
Swim that way. One. That way. Yeah, that way.
It's like herding cats, isn't it? There we go. There we go. Well done.
Beautiful. And he got him sent out the right way as well. Beauty. Whee. Whee.
What a session. Whee.
There you go. Last cast of the evening. Last cast of the evening.
Last cast.
Was it the one with the next smoothie gets a pint or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. What have you done? Bait wise?
Or crab.
All crab.
I'm not going to sort of toot me horn,
Yeah.
but I wouldn't spice this one. I reckon this will go off in the next 15 minutes.
Yeah, right. Well, you heard it here first. It's going to go off in the next 15 minutes. Never go full crab. That's what I've heard. Funnily enough, my daughter has gone full crab. She's just started watching Little Mermaid. She's really into it, so she's started acting like Sebastian the crab. Say hello to my little friend. And the other rod's going. Jesus. It's a bit mad. That's not a bad smoothie, that. £7-ish. £6-ish. Maybe 5. Anyway. But that is £5 on a pint. That's what that is. Well, there we go. A £1 each. When was this one caught?
That one? About 5 minutes ago.
When was that one caught?
About 2 minutes ago.
So
the pint's yours.
It's always the pint. Only just.
Only just.
Only just. Oh yeah. Need to get the doggy. Oh, sorry, mate. Ow! You get slapped in the face like.